This fragrance makes me want to die inside because it's so good. This is by Argos, and this is Triumph of Bacchus. I cannot even explain to you how much I love this fragrance. This is like a masterpiece. I'm just super passionate about this fragrance, and I think it's amazing. I got it for my birthday, but oh my gosh, I wasn't sure about this one either. I was kind of scared about this fragrance, but I am so glad I took the chance. This was a blind buy because it is worth every single bit of hype. And this has amazing performance. So there's booziness in here, there's green apple in here, there's a lot of tobacco. This is more on the unisex side. As a woman, I feel completely comfortable wearing this. This is very ambery and warm. There's a lot of vanilla, there's a lot of saffron in the opening. It's just a rich, boozy, yummy tobacco fragrance that I just adore. Smells so good. If you're a woman and you're scared of tobacco, give this a try. That green apple in here, there's also white peach, I believe. There's a fruitiness in this fragrance that kind of sweetens it up and helps it to not feel overly masculine, at least to me. And the vanilla in the base really helps to give it a sweetness and a smoothness as well. So don't be too scared of the tobacco. You do have to like a boozy fragrance because this does have a boozy touch to it, which I absolutely love, and I think it's perfection. This is a perfect fragrance, amazing performance, and it is now my favorite tobacco in my collection. So that is by the House of Argos, Triumph of Bacchus.